Hello everyone, welcome back to the Feather Modeler. In this part, yes, it's the part three of the G wagon, and now we will complete this in this video. Complete our whole card. In the last part, we added details and completed the whole body, and I adjusted everything and shared auto smooth it from everywhere. And now I'm making the tires. We have to shade auto smooth it also, but first we will model it and then we will add details to it and whatever it is later on. Okay, first of all I will make the tires like this and select this loop, make it just a little bigger, make the rims like that, and now add a circle with some 5 segments, and now we will fill it, extrude it forward like this and insert it in the middle, and like that. I want to make it only one piece, and then like that I will spin it and make it like that, make it to the other side. I made a 3D cursor at the very middle, and now I will make everything like it is in the original. We can make rims of any type, but it's a little easy to make, but it's up to us how we make it and what design should we use. Okay, spin tool is very useful in making tires like that. We can use the number amount to use to make the whole rims. Like we can add 5, 4 and any amount we want, and we can type in there and make it like that. Now it is looking good, and now we have to make the logo in the very middle. We will give the thickness after that. I will make it like that, and I will duplicate the 3 vertices like 1, 2, 3 here and insert it like that. I will shade auto smooth it and join the middle vertices and move them forward like this. Now it is looking good. I will duplicate the logo and move it, place it on the very front and the very back. I will bevel this to make it smooth, rotate it, scale it, and yes, I will place it just like here. Yep, it's looking good. Now I will give some thickness to the rims and make something like that. Tire is looking good. Give a mirror modifier, scale it, adjust it a little bit, and now it is looking good. Move the car down just a little to clear some gap. Okay, now we can add additional details to the car where we want, but do that if necessary and if they look good. Otherwise it will ruin the whole shape and the shape of the car. After adding every detail, we will move on to the coloring part. Okay, yes, remember to save your work. Now I will add an image texture and set the clearance, shine and the metallicness. I will use an image texture with black color. We can use any color we want, but yes, we can use any color. I will use white color for now, and I will select the parts where the mirrors are and Ctrl plus and move them to the separate color like a little gray. and then Control minus to select the windows and other parts like this, and color them a little darker or lighter like this. Select them at once or select them separately. To do that, and I will select the hood and color it black. And now for the headlight, I will duplicate the loop and then make it a circle like this. Scale it, make it a separate object. Fill it, insert it just a little bit, or delete the side vertices. That's the easy way. Okay, fill it, insert it, and delete these vertices. Extrude and insert it a little bit. Give it a subdivision modifier. Extrude it backwards like that. And now I will use an emission texture for this. And select this loop, move it forward, shade auto smooth, and color this piece transparent so we can see the headlights. Okay, now everything is looking good. Select the inward part of the headlight and color it black. Then the headlight color will not reflect and will look good also. Okay, now select the handles and color them lighter. Now color the tires as well, a little rough, and the rims a little shiny. Yes, select everything and color them the same material of the car and color it black and any color you want. I will use the black color because it looks nice and a little modified as well. Okay, I will bevel this loop and color it white, then it will look great. Okay, now select everything, Alt S, give it some thickness like that, and it is looking good. Give the logos, move it a little outwards, and then select the bottom faces and color them white or a little darker maybe, because it looks good and gives a nice effect. Okay, now select these side faces, Control plus, and color them gray. Nice, it is looking perfect. Now duplicate the tires, move them back, and now our car is looking good. Now coloring is done. Now it's time to render our model. Okay, there's an idea I've got to bevel the edges to make it look high poly, and now I will do the same thing to the windows as well, because I want my model to look realistic, and yes, I want to look realistic. Only the corner edges we will bevel it just a little like that. We may have to set the color, and I will do the same thing to the back side as well, and it is looking perfect. It is low poly, but it is not looking like it has any higher mesh, but it is looking perfect. Now I will bevel these loops as well, and everything is looking perfect. I will use the headlights and select the vertices, bevel them individually, and it is looking good now. Remember to select the edges where we don't want the sharpness. Okay, now everything is looking good. Select this middle face and color it darker. Okay, so remember to save your work, and now it's time to render everything. Add a plane for the background, add a light, scale it, adjust the light power, and duplicate it multiple times and move them accordingly. Yes, like that, and place the light where they look good, and in the end there's the final result. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.